When you hear the word revelation, what comes to your mind? Apocalypse? The end of the world? Chaos? Dragons? Plagues? Or judgment? For many people, Revelation is the most mysterious, misunderstood, and avoided book in the entire Bible. But why? Today, let's slow down, look beyond the fear, and uncover what Revelation really is, and why so many people are afraid to talk about it. Revelation is the final book of the Bible, written by the Apostle John while he was exiled on the island of Patmos. But the word revelation doesn't mean destruction. It actually comes from the Greek word apocalypsis, meaning to reveal, to uncover, or to pull back the curtain. So Revelation isn't about hiding the future, and it's about revealing God's ultimate plan. People assume Revelation is only doom and gloom, but the heart of the book is hope. It's about God restoring creation, God defeating evil, God keeping his promises, Jesus returning to make all things new. Revelation is not meant to scare believers, it's meant to encourage them. Revelation uses symbols, visions, and imagery, not because it's fantasy, but because the ancient world communicated deep truths through symbolic language. Lampstands represent churches, stars represent angels, a dragon represents Satan, beasts represent kingdoms and systems of power. These symbols are not random. They connect Revelation to the entire rest of Scripture, especially Daniel, Isaiah, and Ezekiel 1. It sounds scary. Revelation mentions judgment, war, beasts, and the end of the world as we know it. That alone makes people uncomfortable. 2. It's complex. Without understanding the symbolism, people get lost and assume the worst. 3. There's a lot of misinformation. Movies, TikToks, conspiracy theories, and bad preaching have created fear around the book instead of clarity. 4. People don't want to think about the future. Talking about the end times forces people to face their own life, their beliefs, and what comes after death. 5. It challenges people spiritually. Revelation draws a line between God's truth and the world's systems. That can make people uncomfortable because it pushes them to choose sides. Revelation is not a horror story, a prediction you decode with math, a political prophecy for one country, a book meant to paralyze people with fear. It is a spiritual message from God that says, even when the world is chaotic, I am still in control. At the end of Revelation, there is no fear, there is no beast, there is no suffering, there is no death. Instead, God wipes every tear. He creates a new heaven and a new earth, and humanity is restored to the relationship it was always meant to have with Him. Revelation is ultimately a story of victory. Revelation is not a message of panic. It's a message of preparation, not a message of terror, but of truth. Not a message of chaos, but of Christ returning. Maybe the reason Revelation feels scary is because we only look at the darkness within it. But if you read the whole book, you realize it ends with light, hope, and a promise. Jesus wins. And those who trust in Him share in that victory. This isn't a book to run from. It's a book to understand. If you want more videos breaking down parts of the Bible, the history behind Scripture, or misunderstood passages, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what topic you want next.